Hi friends, so we are here moving ahead with the Prometheus cave in Georgia. Georgia is an essential part of Europe and we are here visiting Prometheus cave. It is a natural monument and it comes under IUCN category 3, which means safeguarding of natural monument. So Prometheus cave is basically in Sakultubo municipality in Imereti region of Georgia. In Georgia it is also called as Komistavi cave. So it is very near from Kutaisi city. This is the entrance of the cave. This is my first experience of the life wherein we are entering into the cave actually. This cave is about 11 kilometer. So much excited to visit inside the cave. It's really amazing. It is open for tourists, so that's why you can see the path made for tourists. This Prometheus cave was discovered in 1980s. So this pedestrian route has been formed. Stairs are there inside the cave. It is one of the unique experience of the life to visit this cave. So in Prometheus cave, 23 gel what we pay, it includes guided tour actually. So we have a small group of visitors. We visit inside and then we take the entire tour of Prometheus cave. So stay tuned from entry till exit. You would enjoy the entire Prometheus cave. This is the first place where we will be getting some more ideas. You can see the lightings. Thank you. See how beautiful it is. These formations which you can see takes years and years altogether for this much long, and I would show you some of the structures which are very huge in size. So imagine how old the cave is. So this cave was discovered by Georgian speleologists. You can listen to this voice. It's basically the voice of the guide who is guiding us. 3 languages basically she is using: Russian, English.
In the Kolkheti Hall, the camp is about 25 million years, but group of speleologists discovered it in 1984. Here you can see 3 types of forms. This is stalactite that grow from ceiling to down, stalagmite that grow from down to above, and when they are connecting, they called like stalagmites.
So after the guided tour, we will visit again for the next stage. There are actually 22 halls in total. Out of that, we will visit 6 halls. Every hall has their own speciality. You can see water still dripping down. Above the caves are the normal trees, normal soil. You'll not be able to figure out what is exactly above the cave. It is very difficult to find a cave like this. Very unique, I would say. After the collapse of Soviet Union and lack of funds, it was closed in 1990. After 17 years of closure in 2007, again it was opened by Georgian authorities. When the president of Georgia, Mr. Mikhail, he visited in 2010, then he suggested a new name, Prometheus Cave, and from there it's a history. It reopened for visitors from May 26, 2011. A local citizen was the one who was protecting the cave when actually it was closed for a couple of years. His statue with his dog is there at the time of exit. Stay tuned, see that. He is the protector of the cave. How marvelous this cave is. It's unimaginable. I would highly suggest you to visit Prometheus Cave in Georgia. You'll be happy to know that there are some of the marriage ceremony which also takes place inside the cave. There is a hall called as Love Hall, especially in that. If I would let you know, there are actually 6 halls: Argonauts Hall, Kolkheti Hall, Medea Hall, Love Hall, Prometheus Hall, and Iberia Hall. there's a river which flows underground. That river is called as River Kumi. So it's basically a part of that cave. It is just a part of a huge cave system. It would be super dark over here if there is no lights equipped. Continuous dripping of water. So we'll continue our tour of Prometheus cave, and it is quite huge, so we have divided into 3 different parts. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.